For better viewing experience, consider watching this full screen. Reading a publication on PressReader browser. Method 1. After selecting your preferred publication, click Read Now. You will see the different sections at the bottom. Click on any section that you may be interested in. Method 2. After selecting your preferred publication, click Read Now. Click Text View. Click on the green arrow to read more. If you find this video useful, like this video and subscribe for more. Do remember to turn on the bell for notification.